Hi guys, this is the final part. So let's just get started very quickly. So you want to duplicate this whole script, put it under, and then all you have to do is you want to change this or to having the DC is greater than the D. And then it's basically the same thing for the next thing. You want to add letter 3, and then change the DC by negative. And now it's going to be a bit more different. So we want to duplicate this whole script, actually, and then we want to put it in the else. We're almost done. So we need to add a set D to a join. So you want to add two joins in each other, and you want to add letter 1 of the D, letter 2 of the D, and letter 3 of the D. And one more thing from that last time, we added that, this, you want to, instead of adding set level to 1, you want to add a change level by 1. And let's go back to the swing. So after that, we want to set we want to set it to -10, basically. This is going to be kind of weird, but repeat until doing this, that, or repeat until it is the DC equals to the DC divided by 2, or it's the DC greater than that. You want to add this, but you just don't want it to be you want to take out the times, and you also want it to be letter 1. For the change X and Y of the D. So, as you can see, and then after that, you want to add a change the DC by 1. And to make this easier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this part that we duplicated, and then I'm going to duplicate this, and I will add if the DC equals the 2D or the DC is greater than the D, then we want to actually add a change Y by the letter 2. So I know, you might not really be understanding how this is really working. So it's basically just using the letters of the D to change the X and Y. So that's the easiest way I could explain it very quickly, and the easiest way I could actually explain it. And then add a repeat until touching the sprite 3. Change Y by -5. And after that, change Y by 10, and then set S to no. So basically, I am following the code of my Getting Over It game that I put in the link in the description, but I'm still gonna, so that was perfect timing. Now that is not what we want the bobber head direction to look like. So I'm actually going to add the bobber head direction points to the direction 90 when it's the flag clicked. So as you can see, you have a full Getting Over It game where you can move and better